guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got two surprises. And here we got a Batman that comes with a figurine. Ooh. The back, you can even collect Superman. And he has a cool Dodge Charger. That's like 2000. And here I forgot to open this on Christmas. It's not Christmas anymore. But still, I got a piece of poo. And this is what he says. Wind me up and watch me poop candy. I don't want to watch you poop candy. Here's the back. You rip open his head and you shove little balls on there. So yeah, I'm just going to open this boy now. It's the 5th day of Christmas. Time to open this boy. Yeah, brother, we got it out. Little gumdrops, and we've only got like 5 red ones and a bunch of green ones. Get this man out of here. Why does this look like a toilet? Okay, forget about all this. Let's play. So here he is, the poop boy himself. He's a piece of poop that has a Christmas hat, and he's got little legs. Yo, he's got the Nike. He's got the Supreme on. Oh, this is how he poops. Guys, look, I know how he poops. It got stuck. So yeah, what we do is we open this bag of candy that I can eat and consume. Oh no, this is actual candy. No, my candy fell. My candy. Where'd my candy go? No, I dropped my candy. Okay, my cars can have that one. This is terrible. What do? I cannot. Okay, let's just rip open his head. Put the candy inside. Do I just shove it all in? I think you just do like shove it all in. You just fill his head up with candy. And then he has a fun time. Now you wind him up. He actually pooped candy. Oh no, he has poopy diarrhea. Oh no. Look at it. Look, watch. Hold on, let me just rewind him. Hey! I thought you said you're gonna poop candy, my friend. Where's all your candy I gave you? I want to eat one. It tastes actually really good. Whoa. It tastes like watermelon. Now let's reload him. Blah, blah. Why aren't you working? Okay, this is it. This is all. What does red gun taste like? Stop it! Stop it! The candy's going everywhere. My cars can have it. Okay. We had enough of you. Okay. They're good, so here we got a Batman. Ooh, Batman. Let's open him. He's already opened a little bit. That's okay. Oh, that's actually perfect. You know, so yeah, let's open this. Nope. Yep. Gimme. There we are. Now let's take him out. There. He's a little Batman. Look, it's itty weeny Batman. It's Bruce Wayne. Look at him. I like him. Look how cool he is. Psych. Look, it's Batman stand up. It's Batman versus Poop Monster. And he's ready to attack. Oh no, it's too powerful. And, oh, this car looks nice. Here is the Batmobile. It is looking sharp and smooth, but I actually have one Batmobile, but mine is a little bit broken. So yeah, but still, I got a new one now. It's more smooth and black, and it's more better in the move properly. Eat more candy. So yeah, let's just get this cardboard out of the way. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Make sure to check it out or eat all your cookies, and this man will come to your house and do this. That's what he's gonna do. And also, guys, Merry Christmas. Not really Merry Christmas. Not Christmas anymore. But still, I got this poop. It's got a Christmas hat. But still, yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Bye. What? But still, bye-bye. Uh-oh.